Hello students, welcome to my channel Madam Bisoranjita. Today's video is related with health and hygiene. When you all face the NCC A certificate written exam, you will find 5 marks of questions related health and hygiene. In this video, I briefly discuss all aspects of health and hygiene questions with answer. Dear students, please watch the video till end. After watching, don't forget to like, share and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my new upload videos. If you visit my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Health and hygiene. First question of health and hygiene is the skeletal structure of human body. This is the skeletal structure of human body which consists of 206 bones. The next question is, what are the major constitutions of human body? Skeleton, muscles, voluntary and involuntary muscles, blood circulatory organs, arteries and veins, respiratory organs, lungs, digestive organs, stomach and intestine, excretory organs, kidneys and skin, nervous system organs, brain and neurons. What does the skeletal system do? The skeletal system has many functions besides giving us our human shape and features. It allows movement. Your skeleton supports your body weight to help you stand and move. Joints, connective tissue and muscles work together to make our body parts mobile. Produce blood cells. Bones contain bone marrow. Red and white blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. Protects and supports organs. Your skull shields your brain. Your ribs protects your heart and lungs. And your backbone protects your spine. Stores minerals. Bones hold your body's supply of minerals like calcium and vitamin D. The next question is, what are the main parts of a skeleton? The skeleton is traditionally divided into two major parts. One is axial skeleton, which includes the skull, spine and rib cage, and another is appendicular skeleton, which includes the appendage and the girdles that attach them to the axial skeleton. The skeletal system consists of skull bones, trunk bones, pelvic bones, upper limbs, lower limbs. The next question is, what is meant by hygiene? Hygiene is a series of practices performed to preserve health. According to the World Health Organization WHO, hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of disease. Personal hygiene refers to maintaining the body's cleanliness. What is meant by sanitation? Sanitation refers to public health conditions related to clean drinking water and adequate treatment and disposal of human excreta and sewage. A sanitation system includes the capture, storage, transport, treatment and disposal or reuse of human excreta and wastewater. What is meant by personal hygiene? Personal hygiene is how you care for your body. This practice includes bathing, washing your hands, brushing your teeth and more. Every day you come into contact with millions of outside germs and viruses. They can linger on your body and in some cases they may make you sick. What are the kinds of communicable disease? Based on the mode of transmission of the infectious agent, communicable disease can be classified as waterborne disease transmitted by injection of contaminated water like diarrhea, jaundice. Foodborne disease transmitted by the injection of contaminated food. Airborne disease transmitted through the air. Vector or insect-borne disease transmitted by vectors or insects such as mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes like malaria, dengue, filarias. Flies like diarrhea, dysentery, cholera. Next question. What are the four main types of communicable disease? Some examples of communicable disease include HIV, hepatitis A, hepatitis B and hepatitis C, measles, salmonella measles and blood-borne illnesses. Most common forms of spread include fecal oral, food, sexual, intercourse, insect bites, contact with contaminated fomites, droplets or skin contact. Next question. What are the methods of purification drinking water? Here are some of the most effective water purification methods that have stood the test of time. Boiling. The simplest method to purify water is to boil it for a good amount of time. Water purifier, reverse osmosis, water chlorination, distillation, iodine addition, solar purification, clay vessel filtration, UV radiation, desalination. That's all for today's video. Thank you. Jai Hind.